Draw a guitar. Materials: large white paper, pencil, eraser. To start your guitar drawing, position your paper so that it stands tall. Draw lightly a line in the middle of your paper. Rather than drawing the guitar all at once, break the guitar down into recognizable, simple shapes like circles, ovals, and rectangles. Draw lightly a large oval in the middle of the paper. Draw lightly a large circle in the bottom half of the paper directly below the oval. Draw a large rectangle in the middle of the top half of the paper, ending at the middle line. Below the middle line, draw a circle so half of it overlaps the oval and the other half overlaps the large circle. To the right of the center circle, draw an oval at an angle. Near the bottom of the large circle, draw a rectangle to represent the bridge of the guitar. Now that the basic shapes of the guitar have been sketched out on your paper, go back with a darker mark from your pencil and outline the contours of the guitar and connect the individual shapes together. Draw small circles in the bridge rectangle. These are the string pegs. Texture is an element of art. It is what an object feels like or looks like it would feel like. With just your pencil, you can use different types of lines to create texture in your drawing. Use contour lines, cross-hatching, zigzags, squiggly lines, stipple, and tone to add texture to your guitar. Make sure to use more than one technique. Now add the strings of your guitar, starting at the top of the paper and the neck of the guitar and stopping at the small circles or string pegs. Now you have a guitar drawing. Thanks for watching. Follow us on social media, #AppletonMuseumAtHome.